Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we have an exciting countdown lined up for you. We'll be diving into the top-selling windshield wiper tools on Amazon, showcasing the best options to keep your view crystal clear. From the latest innovations to the tried-and-true favorites, we've got it all covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and discover which windshield wiper tools are leading the charge in the market. Let's dive into the world of effortless window cleaning with our number 5 pick, the Car Window Cleaner Kit. This is not just any tool, it's a game changer for both your vehicle and home. Imagine cleaning your car windows with minimal effort. Sounds like a dream, right? With its extra long extendable handle and a generously sized swivel head, this tool reaches those notoriously tricky window bases with ease. The innovative twist lock on the handle ensures it stays firmly extended, giving you the leverage you need for a thorough clean. Versatility is its middle name. This isn't just for your car windows. Whether you're tackling defogging, dehumidifying, or cleaning hard-to-reach spots, this kit has got you covered. From TVs and glass screens to mirrors and even floors, its range of uses is as broad as your imagination. And it fits all sizes: cars, trucks, SUVs, and RVs. Designed with you in mind, the Car Window Cleaner boasts a user-friendly build for smooth, controlled cleaning. Its 4 washable microfiber pads are designed for superb water absorption, ensuring a streak-free, lint-free finish every time. Built to last, this tool is constructed from durable materials that promise longevity. Plus, its lightweight and compact design makes it a breeze to store in your vehicle or home, always ready for those unexpected cleaning needs. In summary, this window cleaner is more than just a tool. It's an essential addition to your car and home cleaning arsenal. Its expandable design and high-performance features make it perfect for all your glass cleaning tasks. Coming in at number 4 in our countdown, meet the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner, an indispensable tool designed for effortless glass maintenance and more. Picture this: a windshield cleaner so intuitive, it combines functionality with convenience. The AstroAI Windshield Cleaner features a detachable handle that splits into halves for easy storage. But that's just the beginning. It comes with 4 high-performance microfiber pads and a 60 milliliter spray bottle, ready to tackle any cleaning challenge. Cleaning your car's windows, both inside and out, has never been simpler. Forget the back strain and awkward angles. With its extra long extension handle and pivoting head, this tool reaches those elusive window bases with ease. Its ergonomic design ensures you can clean with minimal effort and maximum efficiency. Versatility is at its core. Whether you're dealing with foggy, moist windows or hard-to-reach spots at home, TV screens, glass mirrors, or even floors, the AstroAI delivers. It's suitable for all vehicles, from compact cars to massive RVs. Crafted for durability, the handle extends effortlessly to those tricky spots, and the washable microfiber pad ensures a streak-free finish. Here's a pro tip: for an impeccable clean, place a paper towel between the microfiber cloth and the window, then spray and wipe. The result? A crystal clear view every time. But there's more. This windshield cleaner features an ice scraper designed with sawtooth edges to tackle stubborn ice. And in case of emergencies, the safety hammer made from high-grade carbon steel is an added precaution, ensuring you're prepared for anything. In essence, the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner combines clever design with practical features, making it a top choice for maintaining a clear, spotless view. At number 3 in our countdown, we introduce the SoSickWithIt Car Cleaning Window Tool, a standout in automotive and home glass care. Crafted for excellence, this tool features an extendable handle and a 180-degree swiveling head made from high-quality plastic. Its design is built to last, ensuring durability and reliability. The microfiber pad cover is engineered with a strong water absorption capacity, making sure every swipe is effective and efficient. The SoSickWithIt tool is all about smart design. The ergonomic handle extends effortlessly to reach those tricky window bases, while the 4 vibrant washable microfiber pads tackle dirt and dust with ease. These pads are not only reusable but also absorbent, ensuring a spotless finish every time. Ease of use is at the forefront of its features. Forget the hassle of chemicals or soap. This tool cleans both interior and exterior car windows without straining. The extendable handle and pivoting microfiber pad make hard-to-reach areas a breeze. Versatility is key. The SoSickWithIt car cleaning window tool is perfect for all vehicle sizes, from compact cars to RVs. But its usefulness doesn't stop there. It excels in kitchens, bathrooms, on mirrors, ceramic surfaces, and even in shower stalls. It's an all-in-one solution for fog, moisture, and general cleaning needs. And if you have any concerns, the after-sales service is ready to assist. For optimal use, be sure to read the instructions included. The SoSickWithIt car cleaning window tool is a game-changer, combining high-quality materials, innovative design, and versatile functionality to make glass cleaning easier than ever. Are you enjoying the countdown of the top-selling windshield wiper tools on Amazon? If so, don't let your excitement get wiped away. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and press the bell icon so you never miss a clean sweep of our latest updates. At number 2 on our list, we present the XINDELL Windshield Cleaner Tool, a top choice for effortless and thorough car window cleaning. With the XINDELL tool, maintaining pristine windows is a breeze. Its long handle and pivoting head allow you to clean every inch of your windshield, both inside and out, without any strain. The design is crafted for ease, making window cleaning a quick and simple task. The 180-degree swivel head ensures full glass contact, reaching every corner of your windshield with ease. Whether you're tackling interior grime or exterior dirt, this tool makes hard-to-reach areas effortlessly accessible. Versatility is a key feature of the XINDELL Cleaner. It excels in removing fog and moisture and is safe for all surfaces. Ideal for use in a variety of vehicles, this tool is also perfect for home applications, clearing windows quickly without the need to wait for your car to warm up. Durability meets comfort with its aluminum construction, offering both lightness and strength. The anti-skid handle provides a secure grip, while the 3 reusable pads ensure a spotless finish with each swipe. Dirt and dust are no match for this efficient cleaner. For optimal results, use a dry or slightly damp pad for interior windows. Exterior cleaning is just as straightforward. Wipe away fog with ease and tackle tougher stains with a bit of glass cleaning fluid. No need for harsh chemicals. The XINDELL tool gets the job done effectively and safely. The XINDELL Windshield Cleaner Tool is your go-to for a clean, clear view every time. Its design and functionality make it a standout choice for any car owner looking to maintain a pristine windshield effortlessly. Topping our countdown at number 1 is the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner, an exceptional tool that redefines ease and efficiency in car window maintenance. The AstroAI Cleaner sets itself apart with its thoughtful design. Featuring a detachable handle that splits into 2 for compact storage, this tool ensures convenience both in use and when stowing away. Accompanied by 4 high-quality washer towels, one more than most competitors, and a 60ml spray bottle, it provides everything you need for a complete cleaning solution. Cleaning has never been easier. The extra-long extension handle, longer than most, combined with a larger pivoting head, makes reaching those challenging window bases a breeze. The twist lock mechanism keeps the handle firmly extended, eliminating any wobbling or slipping during use. No more awkward stretching or back strain, just smooth, effortless cleaning. Versatility is key with the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner. Beyond your car's windows, this tool excels at removing fog and moisture from various surfaces. It's perfect for tackling hard-to-reach windows in your home, cleaning TVs, glass screens, mirrors, and even floors. Suitable for all vehicle sizes, from compact cars to RVs, it truly is an all-in-one solution. Designed for superior performance, the washable microfiber pad boasts excellent water absorbency, leaving no streaks or lint behind. For optimal results, avoid using fabric softeners or bleach when cleaning the pads. And for added safety, the tool includes a high-grade carbon steel safety hammer, an invaluable feature for emergency situations. Remember to handle the extension carefully to avoid damage, and avoid excessive disassembly to ensure the product remains in top condition. The AstroAI Windshield Cleaner stands out as the ultimate choice for those seeking a reliable, versatile, and high-performing tool for impeccable glass cleaning. Its innovative design and comprehensive features make it the #1 pick for maintaining a crystal clear view wherever you are. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling windshield wiper tools on Amazon. To keep up with the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.